Okay. Why and how managers control? Okay. Controlling. Controlling is the process of measuring performance and taking action to ensure the planned outcomes are achieved. It has a positive and necessary role in the management process. It also ensures that the right things happen in the right way at the right time. Okay. The role of controlling in the management process. How does controlling fit in with other three management functions? In planning, it involves setting the direction and deciding how you will get there. Organizing is bringing people and material resources together in working combinations. Leading means inspiring people to best utilize these resources. Controlling is checking to see if the plan is being followed by measuring actual results and taking corrective action when necessary. Next, the importance of controlling. First is accomplishing organizational goals. The controlling process is implemented to take care of the plans. With the help of controlling, deviation are immediately detected and corrective action is taken. Therefore, the difference between the expected result and the actual result is reduced to minimum. In this way, controlling is helpful in achieving the goal of the organization. Then, judging accuracy of standard. While performing the function of controlling, a manager compares the actual work performance with the standards. Dito, we try to find out whether the laid down standards are not more or less than the general standard. Then, in case of need, kailangan nating baguhin. Kailangan kasi ay nandun yung sinet natin na standard is hindi tayo lalampas at hindi naman tayo bababa. Then, making efficient use of resources. Controlling makes it possible to use human and physical resources efficiently. Under controlling, it ensures that no employee deliberately delays his work performance. In the same way na nang-check natin lahat ng nasasayang na physical resources. Improving employee motivation. Through the medium of controlling, an effort is made to motivate the employees. The implementation of controlling makes all the employees to work with complete dedication because they know that their work performance will be evaluated, and if the progress report is satisfactory, they will have their identity established in the organization. Ensuring order and discipline. Controlling ensures order and discipline. With its implementation, na-check naman natin dito yung undesirable activities like theft, corruption, delays in work, and uncooperative attitude. Facilitating coordination in action. Coordination among all the departments of the organization is necessary in order to achieve the organizational objective successfully. All the departments of the organization are interdependent. For example, the supply of orders by the sales department depends on the product of goods by the production department. Through the medium of controlling, an effort is made to find out whether the production is being carried out in accordance with the orders received. If not, the causes of deviations are found out and corrective actions is initiated and hence coordination between both the department is established. Dito na tayo sa types of control. Control can focus on event before, during, or after a process. What are the broad types of control that managers can utilize? The corresponding types of managerial controls are called feed forward, concurrent, and feedback controls. Each is relevant to the different phase of the organization's input, throughput, output cycle of activities. Each offers significant opportunities for actions to be taken that advance organizational productivity and high performance. Feed-forward controls. Feed, it is employed before work activities begins. It ensures that objectives are clear, proper direction are established, right resources are available. It focuses on the control of inputs. For example, is the human, the materials, financial resources. These controls are sometimes called preliminary controls or preventive controls since their focus is preventing problems before they occur. They allow manager to take action before getting too far away from the plan. Dito, sample namin sa construction. Yan, dito yung fast forward control. Nagsiset kami ng, mabubuhos kami ngayon ng slab. Kompleto ba lahat ng materyales? Yung sasakto ba yung lahat ng materyales na andyan? Yung concrete mixer ba natin, may workable ba? Yung may gasolina ba yung natin, yung concrete mixer. Tapos dito yung dito din pumapasok yung example na yung sa pagpapalitada. Yung pag nilalagay natin na tao, marunong ba talaga siya dun sa pagpapalitada? Mahusay ba siyang gumawa? Dito naman sa concurrent control, it focuses on what happens during work process. It monitors ongoing operation to make sure they are being done according to plan. This control takes place with activity in progress and are designed to ensure that employee work produces the expected result. It often involves checkpoint at which decisions are made about whether to continue progress, take corrective actions, or stop working altogether. The focus is to solve problems while they are occurring. Dito parang pumapasok din yung monitoring. Dito nga sa amin sa construction, kung kapag nagbubuhos na, dito pumapasok yung kung tama ba yung thickness, kung tama na ba yung thickness na ginagawa nung slab, kung naka-align na ba yung ba yung yung mga poste natin natayo. Dito pumapasok yun. Next is the feedback controls. It takes place after work is completed. It focuses on quality of end result. They are sometimes called output controls because they focus on the outputs of the organization after processing of production is complete. They may be used when feed-forward and concurrent controls are not feasible or too costly. Dito naman ginagamit yung halimbawa yung dito tayo sa feedback control. Kung dun sa amin pa rin sa construction, kung yung tao ba na nailagay mo doon ay mahusay pagkagagawa. Yung na-quote ba nung inspector na ay maganda yung pagkaka-finish nitong pader na ito, sinong gumawa niyan? Yun na yung mami-maintain mo na tao. Halimbawa, yun na yung tao na pagkakatiwalaan mo kasi siya yung mahusay na gumawa kasi na nandun na nakita na yung finish na nagawa niya, nakita na natin. Dito naman tayo sa internal and external control. Sa internal control allows allows motivated individual groups to exercise self-discipline in fulfilling job expectation. They can rely on people to exercise self-control over their own behavior. This strategy of internal control allows motivated individuals and group exercise self-discipline in fulfilling job expectation. Alternatively, managers can take direct action to control the behavior of others. This strategy of external control that occurs through personal supervision and formal administrative systems. Internal control exercised by people who are motivated to take charge of their own behavior on the job and who are given the chance to do so. The potential of self-control is increased when capable people have a clear sense of organizational mission, know their performance objectives, and have the resources necessary to do their jobs well. By the word itself, self-control. No? Bureaucratic control. It is a classic form of external control. It uses authority, policies, procedures, job descriptions, budget, and day-to-day supervision to make sure the people's behavior is consistent with the organizational interest. This form of control flows through the organization hierarchy of authority. Dito pumapasok din yung sa ano nilang sa gobyerno. 'Di ba sila nagsiset sila ng mga rules and regulations. Yang ganito ang gagawin, ganito lang yung gagawin niyo. Hanggang dun lang tayo yun yung magiging basehan natin. And another level of bureaucratic control comes from the organization external environment. Here, laws and regulation govern behavior of organizations. Dito rin pumapasok yung dito na lang sa atin sa klase, dito pumapasok yung bureaucratic control, which is at the top ay si Doc. Kasi siya yung ito yung i-report ninyo, ina-assign niya, ito yung kailangan mong i-report. That's simply yung sample ng bureaucratic control. Whereas the bureaucratic control emphasizes hierarchy and authority. Clan control influence behavior through norms and expectations set by organizational culture. This is a power of collective identity where person who share values and identify strongly with one another tend to behave in ways that are consistent with one another expectation. Sample naman ito ay yung clan control kasi para itong sama-sama. Bawa ito, lahat ng magkakasamang ito mababait. Kailangan kung andun ka, kailangan mabait ka rin. Kailangan sumunod ka dun sa grupo na pinapalooban mo. Next, last ay yung market control. It is essentially the influence of market competition on the behavior of the organization and their members. Businesses show the influence of market control in the way that they adjust products, pricing, promotions, and other practices and respond to customer feedback and what competitors are doing. Yang dito sa market control, yung sample nito is yung kay Ma'am Ethel. Di ba si Ma'am Ethel ay nag-bake? Sa market, na-meet yung, maganda yung packaging maganda yung pagkaka-box ng cake niya, maganda yung pagkakagawa, yung pagkakapahid, maganda yung design. Doon pumapasok para nagsiset ng standard na, ganito rin ang gawin natin. Kung may mga tauhan naman siya, nagagawa, ganito kaganda yung gagawin natin, Kasi ito yung mas mabenta sa ito yung mas mabenta, yung mas maganda, yung mas masarap. Parang ganun yung market control. Ano po? Internal control should be encouraged and supported. External control should be appropriate and rigorous. Thank you po. Yun lang po.